Okay, in this next lecture, we will dive to volume per bar or volume per time. It's basically the same thing. And volume per bar is basically the less complicated form of volume, but still, it's a really powerful indicator which will tell you if the zone or key level is valid for trading or not. So let's dive into it. Volume per bar or volume as time is basically indicator which tells you how many contracts was traded at specific time. So for example, if I use 5-minute chart, one candle is 5 minutes, as you know from price action video. And exactly the same works the volume here. So one bar, which is basically below the candlestick, is total amount of traded contract per this one candle. In this case, per 5 minutes or for last 5 minutes. And now, here's the reason why is volume such an important indicator. But first, one big misconception, which many traders believe in. Volume shows you direction of the trend. This is totally nonsense and this is not true. Yes, volume can show you potential move, but it is not basically one-to-one indicator which will show you trend direction where price will go. Volume itself shows you where is interest in trading. So when you see, for example, breakout of some key level with high volume, it doesn't necessarily mean that the price will continue higher. It's just basically indication that, okay, there is a lot of contracts being traded at this level, but it's not necessarily continuation of the trend because a lot of contracts can be sold at this level where it's high volume after breakout and then price can reverse to the downside. So I personally use volume as an indicator for interest. So whenever I see high volume node or high volume at specific key level or at specific price, it's sign for me that okay, there is high volume and I want to be active at this level. So I use volume per bar as the indicator which basically confirming my key level. So if I see some key level, I set alert at this key level and after price reaches key level, first of all, before I open my footprints and my trading software, I look at volume. If there is not volume, I don't trade this key level. If there is volume, I trade. Because behind this high volume, there is some institution and my job as a trader is to decipher what this institution will do. And ideally, trade in the same direction as they do because institution and big money moves the market. So, little recap. When I see K level where is no volume at all, or little volume per bar, this level is not valid for me and I don't trade. However, if there is key level and volume is decent, there's some decent volume spikes per bar, this level is valid and after that I open my footprint chart and I start trading. So in short, volume per bar is some sort of filter for best and strongest key levels.